Hey there pioneers! In this video I'm going to show you how to make the Tadpole Haul Chassis in Subnautica 2. Let's start by gathering the fragments required to unlock it. Begin at the alien ruins and head southeast at around a 165-degree bearing on your compass. Off in the distance you should spot a needle mango nest, though it can be difficult to see at first. Along the way, make use of the hoops to give yourself a speed boost and reach the area more quickly. Once inside the nest, look for a hole in the floor and head down. You'll find a wreck with a blinking light nearby, so approach it and scan the fragment. From that same wreck, turn toward the east and leave the cave. Once outside, face northeast at roughly a 75-degree bearing and angle yourself slightly upward since the next fragment sits around 210 meters deep. While traveling in this direction, you'll notice the alien power plant nearby. Simply loop around it and continue onward. Before long, you should spot the chassis fragment resting on top of a platform. For the final fragment, prepare to descend much deeper. From the second location, face northwest and start heading downward. Keep an eye out for large purple tree roots and follow the same general route shown by my tadpole. If you begin seeing glowing puddles, you're headed the right way. Stay alert though, as this area is packed with hostile creatures, including a collector leviathan roaming above. On the left side of the area, you'll find the last fragment waiting for you. Exit your tadpole, scan it, and you'll have the full blueprint unlocked. Once back at the vehicle fabricator, the Tadpole Haul Chassis requires 4 titanium ingots, 3 strontium, 3 enameled glass, and 1 dedicated core to craft. After gathering the materials, fabricate the chassis and remove whichever one your tadpole currently has equipped. Hover over to the Haul Chassis and it should attach automatically. With it installed, your tadpole gains an extra 30 storage slots, giving you much more carrying capacity. And that's everything you need to know about making the Tadpole Haul Chassis in Subnautica 2.